Assalamu alaikum class. How are you all?
We are fine.
Good. I am from AL-FARID Islamic Model School Zainab Campus, level 7 subject science. Our topic is about the human blood circulatory system and activity is about heart system. So in human blood circulates by three ways: blood vessels, blood and heart. So first we explain about heart. Our heart is a muscular organ. Its size about our fist. It is present in our chest cavity. It is a pumping organ. So first, it has four chambers. Two upper chambers are called atrium. Singular are called atrium. The lower two chambers are called ventricles. The ventricles are larger than both atria. Both atria contract at the same time and both ventricles also contract at the same time. In between atrium and ventricles, a valve is present which is prevent the backflow of blood, and it flows the blood in one direction. So the blood from our deoxygenated blood from our body enters into right atrium, and the oxygenated blood from our lungs will enter in the right atrium. So both atria contract at the same time and push the blood into ventricles. So these ventricles push at same time and push blood to the lungs and other body parts. Our heart is also work like a double pump. First time when both atria contract and blood from lungs enter into the atrium, and blood from the body also enter into the atrium. These both atrium contract, it is called first pump, and when both ventricles contract and push the blood into the ventricles, and both ventricles right and left push this blood to the lungs and other body part, it is the second pump. So our heart is pumped about 70 to 72 times in a second. So we can feel our heartbeat from our pulse, and also we can feel our heartbeat by placing two fingers on under the wrist and also at the end of our thumb. So I would like to call Kuratulayan that she come and explain about heart.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kuratla and today my topic is a human circulatory system and my activity is the heart. Our circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. Our heart is a pumping organ. It pumps the blood into the blood vessels. In this activity, we just talk about heart. Our heart is a muscular organ about the size of our fist. Our heart is found in our chest. Our heart beat about 70 times per minute. We feel our heartbeat on our wrist. Thanks.
My name is Iman. Heart pump oxygen for blood to the lungs and also oxygen is blood to the body. The oxygen for blood is called deoxygenated blood. The oxygen for blood is called oxygenated blood. There are four chambers in our heart, two atria and two ventricles. Upper chambers are called atria and singular called atrium. The two lower chambers are called ventricles. Thanks.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zarnab Zara. Today I want to tell you about heart. The ventricles of our heart are larger than the atria. Both atria contract at a time and both ventricles contract at the same time. The blood passes from the atria into the ventricles. There is a valve between both atria and both ventricles. These valves keep the blood flowing in one direction. Thanks. My name is Jannat Fatma. Deoxygenated blood from the body entered the right atrium and oxygenated blood from the body entered the left ventricle atria of our heart. The right ventricle pushed the blood to the lungs, and left ventricle pushed the blood to the body. Thanks.
My name is Ali Hadar from class level 7. Today my topic is human circulatory system. Our circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessel and blood. Our heart is a pumping organ. It pumps the blood in blood vessel. In this activity, we just talk about our heart. Our heart is a muscular organ. The size of our heart is our fist. The heart is found in chest cavity. Thanks.
My name is Asdullah from. First of all, the topic is the human blood circulatory system. heart pumps oxygen pure blood to the heart pumps oxygen pure blood to the lungs and also oxygen reach blood to the body. The oxygen pure blood is called deoxygenated blood. The rich blood is called oxygenated blood. There are four parts. There are four chambers in our heart and two ventricles. Ventricles upper chambers are called the atria and singular are called atriums. The two lower upper chambers are called ventricles. Thank you.
Clapping for this boy.
My name is Abubakar. I did in class level 7. Today my topic is the human blood circulatory system. The ventricle of our heart are larger than the atria. Both atria contract at a time. Both atria contract at a time and both ventricle contract at the same time. The blood from the passages atria into the there are a wave between each atrium and each ventricle. These waves keep the blood flowing in one direction. Thanks.
The right ventricle pushes the blood to the lungs and left ventricle pushes the blood to the body. Thanks.
Okay, who define what is heart?
Our heart is a pumping organ. It pumps the blood into the blood vessels.
Clapping for problem. Okay, how many chambers of our heart? Okay, yes, Iman. Tell how many chambers in our heart?
There are four chambers in our heart, two atria and two ventricles. Upper chambers are called atria and singular called atrium. The two lower chambers are called ventricles.
Very good. Clapping for And now how differentiate between deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood? Yes, Zarnat Zohra.
Oxygen-rich blood is called oxygenated blood and oxygen-poor blood is called deoxygenated blood.
Clapping for Zarnat. Who tell that what is the size of our heart? Yes, Tahreem.
About the size of our fist.
Please go.
About the size of our fist.
Okay, clapping for Tahreem. So where is our heart present? Hotel. Yes, Nahil.
Our heart is found in our chest.
Very good. Clapping for. Yes, hotel is in this model. Which part is known as right ventricle?
This part is called right ventricle.
Good. Clapping for Okay, next who tell that which part is left ventricle in this model? Yes, Ayan, you tell.
This part is called left ventricle.
Yes, Zeb. What is the name of lower chambers?
Lower chambers are called ventricles.
Good. Clapping for Zoeb. Okay, thank you students. We meet in next activity. So, Allah Hafiz.